Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome. I'm Mark McNeely
Welcome.
with the
I'm
McNeelys,
Fashion McNeely.
and we're so glad to have you guys here. Thank you so much for subscribing to our emails, and we're going to definitely be connecting with you guys and sharing with you some amazing value that you can take from this. We'll be sharing with you and showing you our journey on how simple and easy it is to work from home and to make an additional income on the side to either supplement your current job if you're working, or to just if you just want to work from home full time. We're going to be just sharing with you all some value and the things that we've learned over the years to help you build a business and to really just lock arms with us. So Hun, real quick, do you want to just kind of explain to them kind of what was the motivating factor for you as to why you got started with working from home or wanting to work from home?
This is why we're presenting this wonderful opportunity. We all want to spend more time with our families. We all want to travel. We want time freedom. We want to live our lives, so we don't want to work just to be paying bills. We don't want to spend all of our lives just working and never living, never experiencing life and enjoying all that life has to offer. So with this opportunity, you will be able to free up your time. You do not have to trade time for money to have an income. We're living in an age where there are so many different creative and wonderful ways to make money online. From the convenience of your home, you can be your own boss. And I wanted to be with my children. I wanted to raise my own children. I didn't want to have my kids being raised by the daycare. I wanted to have more time for myself, and just be able to enjoy what life really is, and to explore, well, what really is my purpose? What is my passion? You never have enough time to do that because you're so busy working. And if you're not working, you're sleeping, so
That's right.
this opportunity is grand. You're going to thank yourself. And anything is possible if you put your mind to it. Whatever you want out of life, you can have it. Take control over your life today and check out this opportunity.
That's right, guys. And so just real quick to just recap so you guys can know a little bit more about what we're talking about. We're talking about the Be Epic products.
Be Epic. And Be Epic is a wonderful, wonderful company.
That's right. That's right. And it's really about just being epic.
Yes.
Your health, your wellness, as well as your financial. And so we wanted something that we could tangibly touch.
Yes.
We've done all types of work from home programs where a lot of the products were digital products, products that you couldn't really touch. And so we wanted something that was really, really going to help people reach the maximum potential and just get to the next level. And so what we have here, just real quick to show you guys what we're so excited and passionate about, is our Accelerate product.
This is Accelerate, and this is Elevate. And so Be Epic is a health and wellness company. Health and wellness is a $1 trillion industry.
That's right.
This Be Epic brand of supplements and it's nutritional supplements for you and the entire family. They have something for all ages, for adults and children, and it helps you maintain high energy. It helps you rest. It helps you lose weight. It helps you be healthy, have all the nutrition that you need all in one capsule. This is amazing. This is trend setting right now. It's setting the health and wellness, industry on fire.
That's right.
And this is something that sells itself.
That's right.
You do not, I was always afraid of sales. I was in the beauty industry, and yes, I sold services, but I never had, a bunch of products that I had to sell. And I always ran from that. But I'm going to tell you something. I found my strength. Once you find something that you use that really works,
right,
and it really can bless and help other people, it does not take a lot of work at all. You just share with them what it's done for you, what it's done for others, and your product is sold.
That's it. That's it. And so, like she said, it's really, something that we're definitely excited about and we're passionate about, because without having great health, there's really no wealth. You can have
Yes,
all
totally.
of the money in the world, but if you don't have any, health and wellness, you're pretty much, you don't have anything. And so that was one of the main reasons why we wanted to get started with something like this, something
Yes.
tangible that people can actually utilize and feel. And then also we would like for you guys to connect with our Facebook group. It's an actual testimonial group. We have over 200,000 members in the group, people that's actually utilizing the products, that's having testimonials, that's feeling great, that's losing weight,
more energy,
more energy.
being able to sleep at night. Your kids' metabolisms are boosting because they have nutrition. Oh, it's going down. It's amazing.
If you have anxiety issues or depression,
Yes.
These
It
products
helps with your mood
helps
swings.
with that, right? So men, if you have mood swings, or women, if you have mood swings, definitely.
And it's a great detoxer. It's going to keep you regular.
This one here.
And all that good stuff. Yes.
That's right. That's right. So that's what we're excited about. These are our baseline products. And so what I want to do now is just kind of quickly move over to the 7 ways we get paid. And I think this is so important for people. This is what attracted us to it. We wanted something that, people can actually really just tap into using a simple formula. We like to keep things simple because when you complicate things, people just give up and they quit and they just really don't want to be involved. But what we noticed was, if we can have some simple daily action steps, and we'll cover that before we get off this video. When you give people simple daily tasks and simple daily action steps, it's a no-brainer. It's a win-win. So I'm going to talk about the 7 ways to earn with Be Epic. I'm just going to kind of read through them really quick, because again, it's seven ways. But the first 2 ways that I think we really what motivated us to get started was you get the fast start bonuses.
Yes.
So if you share the product and someone signs up from your website, you get paid 50% commissions the same day. It hits it hits your wallet
account. This
is
daily money.
So it's easy, to make $100 a day, $200 a day, $300 a day. All right, up front, just right up front. So the first way, you get 50% off of customer bonuses. So you get 50% off of the dollar amount of your retail customer. So our 2 baseline products, again, for a customer is about
Elevate and Accelerate.
Right.
Yes.
So it's about $99 for customers. For members, distributors, it's like $89. So it is a discount, like a $10 discount.
And this is super affordable, especially when you compare it to all the nutrition and wellness products that are out there.
Right.
This has been made super affordable.
That's right. And so if you were to try to buy the products individually, you're going to actually spend way more money than you would. So the first way is you get 50% off of your customer bonus.
50%.
Number 2, you get a fast start bonus. So you get 50% off of the customer volume on the first order of every brand partner that you personally sponsor. So if you brought in Sally or John, you're going to get a 50% of what they purchase. Most people purchase the standard products, which we just showed you. So we have a fast start bonus. You earn 50% commission on the first order of every brand partner. So 50%, you get half of the commission. So that's powerful, because this will allow you to really get going, really to get it back in profit immediately, and to actually allow you to start growing your business, or to help you with
at a rapid pace.
Yes. And also will help you with taking care of expenses that you may have, like groceries, gas. With COVID-19 going on, everybody needs that right now money,
especially daily.
Yes. And we've been a part of a lot of companies that we had to wait a week or a month to get paid with this.
And most working people have to wait 2 weeks. For a paycheck.
Right. Which I so hated, because I had more bills than money. So again, fast start bonus. You get a 2-team pay. You earn up to 20% on the customer value of your lesser value team every week, so you get weekly pay. Number 4, you get a sponsoring matching bonus. So again, we have a vested interest in helping you guys be successful and helping you guys win, because we get a 20% check match on all of our personally sponsored brand partners, and the same will happen for you.
Yes, which means that not only do you make earnings from your sales, you make earnings from your sales.
And you go from your team
and
sales.
This is residual income.
That's right. That's right. Number 5, you get a generational matching bonus. All right, you earn 10% check match paid up to 4 generations. All right, and so that is powerful, guys. I don't know a lot of companies that will do that for you. Number 6, you get a global pool bonus. So basically what the company does is they tally up everything. As a diamond qualified brand partner, you earn a share in a 2% global pool bonus. All right, and this is the pool of the total company. So it's almost like, when you're doing a stock or something like that, you put in a certain amount of money and then you get back based off of the company's earnings, based off of your share. It's similar to that, man. So
you get 2%
of the global bonus,
company's global earnings.
That's right, and that's powerful, guys, because we're doing well over $100 million in sales, and it's growing at a rapid rate.
Yes.
And then number 7, of course, this is one of our favorite, is it has monthly lifestyle bonuses. You can earn up to $700 in a monthly bonus by purchasing, of course, a 70-point value, and you'll learn more about that. The 70-point value is just basically our basic products here, which is these two. So staying active with these two, they're worth
elevates and accelerates.
Right, they're worth 70-point values, which is the $89.99 product, $89.95 product, and so if you did a 2x2 build, which is just you get 2 people and you teach them how to get 2 people, that's $100 a month. You get 3 people, we show you how to get 3 people, all right, and you teach those 3 people how to get 3 people. That's $300 a month in lifestyle bonuses.
Residual.
Did
we say residual?
You get 4 people. You get 4 people. We show you how to get 4 people, right? We're going to teach you everything you need to know how to get 4 people. That's $500 a month. That could be a car note, that could be rent, mortgage, or if you want to get 5 people, that get 5 people, right? That's a $700 per month bonus that could be used for maybe a vehicle, a car, whatever you want to do, vacation, and it's monthly, reoccurring. All right, so that's the 7 ways to get paid. We're going to leave a link below in the description box or in this email that you can click on it where it'll give you more details, but we just kind of want to cover that real quick. Now, before we get off this video, guys, we've got some fast action bonuses. Okay, when you partner with us and join our team, we're going to give you everything that you need to be successful. You're going to get our classified ads, posting secrets. You're going to get our all paid traffic sources that work. So if you're brand new and you don't know what that is, basically we're going to teach you how to target people that's interested in working from home. All right,
because
rejection free.
You need to connect with people who are interested in what you have.
Right, who are like-minded and who are excited about trying to start something new. We're going to show you how to get your website in front of thousands of targeted people. These are the bonuses that we're going to give you when you partner with us. And then we're going to give you our Facebook training that's extremely powerful. So guys, with that being said, we're going to get out of here. There'll be a link below. Click that link. Go ahead, get started. If you have questions, we'll leave a telephone number and an email where you can contact us. And hey, we look forward to working with you guys real soon. God bless you.
God bless you.
Take care.
Goodbye.